Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Saturday, July 11th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We start off with the observations just came in from the heavy rainfall that we had yesterday from Tropical Storm Faye. Winds were pretty much as I was expecting, and the rainfall overall, the rainfall forecast worked out. The only exception would be eastern and central Connecticut and eastern and central Long Island, where rainfall amounts stayed generally below an inch in these locations. The overall idea with the forecast is that, hey, this storm's going to be coming in. We'll get feeder bands. There's a ton of tropical moisture already in place. So someone should easily get an inch of rain out of this, but that didn't work out very well for eastern and central Connecticut and Long Island. The rest of the region, well, it more than panned out, unfortunately, with some very impressive rainfall throughout much of the New York City Metro, New Jersey, and the Philadelphia Metro and eastern Pennsylvania. So a very impressive rainfall event for those regions. This morning, we are dealing with muggy conditions. We have a lot of low clouds hanging around, and you could feel the moisture in the atmosphere, with dew points basically in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Meanwhile, in case you don't know, dew points are the temperature at which if you lower the temperature, that's where you start precipitating. So that's pretty muggy. In fact, I just saw JFK mid-70s, 75, Belmar 77. That is some very moist air. Temperatures overall range from the upper 70s to mid-80s, and there's a lot of scattered broken cloud cover around the region with light winds. Take a look at our satellite picture. You can see trouble is brewing off to our west. Now, this is up here is what's left of Faye. It is now post-tropical and lifting up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. And we have, because we have all this tropical moisture hanging around, a lot of low and mid-level clouds. This out here is another cold front. And this cold front is going to be moving through by this afternoon. And you can already see some of the cumulus here popping up here. So yeah, there's going to be a threat for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. And some of these thunderstorms have the potential of being pretty nasty with frequent lightning, heavy downpours, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and even some small hail. So definitely one of those afternoons where you're going to have to keep an eye to the sky because it's going to get pretty nasty around here. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, generally between 2 and 6 p.m., dying off after that. Temperatures rising into the lower to mid 80s along the coast and mid to upper 80s everywhere else, and continuing to be muggy. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, overall drying out, but there will still be a threat for a little bit of fog. Look for lows ranging from the mid-60s to lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, overall scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but most locations will be dry. Look for lows in the look for highs in the lower to mid 80s and along the coast and mid to upper 80s everywhere else. All right, now let's get to Monday, because everyone wants to get back to work in steamy conditions. Watch out for some fog in the morning, followed by a cold front in the afternoon with scattered showers and thunderstorms, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Tuesday, the cold front exits. Can't rule out an isolated shower in the afternoon, otherwise scattered cloud cover is expected, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Wednesday, we're going to have a frontal boundary hang around the region, but it really won't do all that much. Watch out for an isolated thunderstorm. That is about it. Lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Thursday, weak trough hangs around. Watch out for some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, fog in the morning. Lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Friday and Saturday, this cold front will slowly approach the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms moving along it. Notice it's being shown as a stationary front. This front is going to move like molasses, and we're going to be dealing with scattered showers and thunderstorms as a result. Low temperatures will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs everywhere else. Those lower 90s will strongly depend on how much sunshine you get, as we're going to have scattered broken cloud cover and a threat for those thunderstorms all over the place while this stationary front hangs around. That is your forecast discussion for today. If you enjoy these forecasts, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more information, a little bit more detail about what's happening in the atmosphere and a look at the next 10 to 15 days, definitely check out the premium forecasting discussions that you would certainly enjoy. So premium consulting membership is something for you. That is your forecast today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.